Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best bobbin thread for embroidery machines. The new brothread 25PC's White 70D2 60WT Prewound Bobbin thread with plastic sides. Size ASA 156. Whether you're a beginner in embroidery or a seasoned sewing enthusiast, this is one product you'll want to add to your toolkit. Let's find out why. First up, let's talk about the build and compatibility. These bobbins are pre-wound with high-tenacity polyester filament thread in a 70D2 thickness. That's equivalent to 60 weight, which is commonly recommended for embroidery projects. The result is a thread that glides smoothly through your machine, ensuring consistent draw-off tension and minimal breakage from start to finish. The plastic-sided design is a smart touch. Unlike paper bobbins that can get squished or absorb oils from your machine, the clear plastic sides on these bobbins stay rigid and clean. Plus, they come in a neat, clear plastic case that makes organization super easy. You'll never find yourself rummaging through a drawer trying to match threads again. When it comes to compatibility, new brothread made sure these bobbins are ready for your favorite embroidery machines. They are size A, also known as Class 15 or SAW 156, which means they work flawlessly with top machine brands like Brother, Babylock, Genome, Kenmore, Juki, Ilna, Quantum Futura, and Singer. If you're using any of those machines, you're in luck. These bobbins will fit like a glove. Let's take a closer look at how they perform in real stitching. The polyester filament thread helps reduce static, friction, and lint buildup. That means smoother sewing and fewer interruptions. You'll notice your stitches look cleaner and tighter, especially during high-speed embroidery. This is particularly important when you're doing intricate designs or switching between thread colors often. Classic white, and essential for every embroiderer. White bobbin thread works perfectly as the backing for most top threads, giving you clean results without interfering with your design. For those working on detailed embroidery, this white thread will become your go-to choice for everyday use. Each bobbin holds around 130 meters or approximately 142 yards of thread. That's a generous amount, especially considering you're getting 25 bobbins in this pack. For the price, it's a budget-friendly yet high-performance addition to your sewing supplies. New brothread backs their product with a 100% quality guarantee, which shows they stand by what they offer. If you're looking for reliability, ease of use, and professional-level results, this set delivers on all fronts. To wrap it up, the new brothread pre-wound bobbin thread pack is a must-have for anyone who wants smooth stitching, clean embroidery results, and a frustration-free sewing experience. Whether you're crafting at home or producing custom pieces for clients, this is one supply that won't let you down. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products in arts, crafts, and sewing. See you next time.